Up to 50% off Cyber Monday deals for 2 days only.
Projected lottery pick Kingston Flemings with an early Euro step through traffic. Great footwork and finish through contact. Got the bucket to go. Projected lottery.
The money is the mode. Fuck with the money, it's the ugly, it's coyote. Oh.
Evolved Royal Ghost versus normal Royal Ghost. They are going up against a set of challenges, and we are starting with tower damage, where it's clear that there is a massive difference as the evolution destroys the tower a lot quicker. On to the next challenge.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I got the Wagyu.
Uncle Mike.
All right, guys.
Old timer, stay low. What are you attacking me for?
That man has brought irreparable harm upon our country, and he must atone for it with his very life.
But can't you just talk it out?
Were that possible, we'd have done it.
Is that a bomb? Watch out! Why are you all ganging up on him like this? He's just an old man.
You're the one who sent him flying.
Isn't he supposed to be like your big emperor or something? This is all really confusing to me.
You don't need to understand.
Huh?
I gotcha. What are you doing? Do you think you can just kill him yourself?
Of course I'm not going to kill him. This guy's super old. He'll probably die any day now. Let nature do its thing.
Old timer.
This guy was summoned to another world without any cheats.
Interesting. Price is investing a 2-minute, a 3-minute.
Yo.
Yo, Trey.
Your volume is kind of low. Can't really hear anything you're saying.
Really?
What you guys looking for, shorts or longs?
Probably shorts.
I'm looking for longs today.
Because Price just tapped into a daily bearish fair value gap. Price also tapped into a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. And if Price inverses this 3-minute that they created at 10:30, I think I will enter shorts.
Yeah, that's definitely that's definitely a trade you could take. Yeah, that's definitely a trade you could take. I would say your higher probable shorts are gonna be when you have a higher time frame displacement.
But let's
So let's say you get a 15-minute change in the state of delivery. That would be a nice little short.
Would that be quite tough though? Because right now the 15-minute is creating more of an rejection block, and it's rejecting this change in character.
Yeah, if you can work out a 15 minutes, like we got a 15-minute swing low. Once we break out of that 15-minute swing low, mark the first presented value gap and watch how it trades to it. If it finds some premium sensitivity within that first presented fair value gap, then you can probably go short off of that. You just want to take a patient. That's it. Because the people be trying to short as soon as like the market opens, and they don't really wait for a real displacement for longs or shorts. You gotta have a higher time frame displacement.
I mean, yeah, it depends though. It depends.
Huh?
See, I need to see my setup, then I'll show it.
Because we do have previous day's lows resting below us, and we have that order block from yesterday as a very major discount array for price. So if price is going to continue higher, which I am expecting it to do, I want to see clear reaction around that order block. If we have that same reaction that we did, if we put an SMT around that area of interest, then we could probably target, or target all-time highs or some shit like that. Not all-time highs, but at least the liquidity pool. Yeah, we do have those weekly buy side liquidity. Yeah, I mean, I'm just trading with the trend, bro. Trading with the trend is always better.
NQ is still going down, and ES is going up. There's a 1 minute bearish gap. NQ didn't bust through it. ES bust through the 1 minute gap. I think shorts are still reasonable because it's technically looking for some sort of retracement. It's been just going up. Oh, but I did retrace at 8 o'clock too. Bro,
Where's the rest of the guys? I can't hear them. Let's say I can't hear nobody.
This is a guaranteed lock on this one. Top 5 most searched people on Google 2025. He was the most searched person on Google.
bro, what is this like showing like SMT, bro?
This is fucking free bread,
This is
bro.
so weird.
Why are people
It's
doing
not
this?
even
Are
in
they
the same
stupid?
direction.
No, bro, to win
Unsip tie.
122K. This is a guaranteed lock on
Damn,
this
there's
one.
another
Top
one.
5 most searched people on Google 2025.
What the shit?
He was the most searched person on Google every month up until October.
I'm gonna take
This is
this.
fucking free bread.
Nice try, Bob, but I'm sure you made some stupid mistake.
Not this time. Lots of blood.
Get over here, bro. They're dancing on me. Rio, get over here, bro. They're dancing on me.
Skills. 20-year-old Yang Soyu is far from ordinary. He's a good-looking natural athlete, but an arrogant show-off with terrible sportsmanship, nicknamed Satan's Tongue for making others cry, yet somehow still hard to hate. But the real reason he's special is what happens at night. Ever since he was 15, he has been visited in his dreams by 8 fake monks and 1 real monk who forcibly train him every night. They make his sleep a living hell, all while treating him as nothing more than a backup battery in case his parallel self fails, which also means Soyu has 0 skills, since a soul can only harbor 1 and is alternate self already had it, but on the day Soyu finally became a half-decent monk, he learned that during their next shared dream, he would be transported to their world. So he avoided every truck and car in sight, even though a part of him wanted to meet the monks in person. They were frustrating, but he couldn't bring himself to hate them, and when he finally fell asleep, he traveled to their world only to wake up soaking wet paws. He found himself in the middle of a ruined city covered in blood and destruction, and when he looked behind him, the old monk explained that Soyu had to fight the most absurdly terrifying dragon because his overpowered alternate personality had already been killed. But this is just the beginning. The name is the Zero Chronicles of the Nine Dreams.
What is good, my peanut butters? Welcome to today's lesson. We have draw on liquidity and daily bias. It goes hand in hand. Today I'm going to be covering draw on liquidity and daily bias. This is by far my most requested video to this date. I'm going to be doing this at least once a week. I want to be doing some sort of educational video every Friday, maybe every Saturday. We'll see. So if you have a video that you would like to see me make, please let me know in the feedbacks tab, okay? I am constantly looking to give you guys more sauce, because there's times where I feel like I'm not giving you guys enough information and education. So I do want to be, helping you guys as much as possible. So please let me know, okay? That being said, let's get into this. Why is this my most requested video to this date? Why? Well, it is the hardest concept to grasp as a trader, okay? Draw on liquidity. Oh, wait, fuck. Guys, we're making a draw on liquidity video. Okay, I forgot to do that. But, oh, fuck, that was horrible. Anyways. This is my most requested video because it is the hardest concept to grasp as a trader, right? Finding narrative, finding where the market is actually going to go towards. You can talk about entry models all day. You can learn an entry model in 20 minutes. Your mechanical model, my discretionary model, you can learn that really easily, right? But finding out exactly where the market is drawing towards actually will help you tremendously, and it is a necessary aspect of your trading when you need to be applying these entry models. You can't just apply an entry model without draw on liquidity, right? You will be completely lost, right? Which is why I think it's necessary for me to be making this video. That being said, and to preface this video, this draw on liquidity you will not get in 20 minutes and however long this video is going to be. You're not going to be getting it in just this video, okay? It's a lot of screen time. It's a lot of watching the markets, right? In comparison to an entry model, okay? So I just wanted to say that. I do want to make this as simple as possible, okay? I am pretty excited to make this video because I do think that there's a lot of shit on the internet of people, trying to overcomplicate it when it really is pretty simple, okay? So let's get into this. There is a bird outside of my window that keeps birding, keeps yapping. Alright, so I have three sections of this video that I want to go over. Number one is just a very simple rundown of how the market moves, and then second I want to go over actually how to find your daily bias, and then we'll go over some examples. Okay, so starting off, we all watched ICT's mentorship, right? So there shouldn't be any sort of confusion here, but let's go into this. Let's give a little refresher for everyone that hasn't. Why does the market move? Number one, to rebalance inefficiencies. Right? So we rebalance inefficiencies. What are inefficiencies? Unfilled fair value gaps, right? Or data highs and data lows, right? Those are unfilled orders in the market, right? Number two, to rebalance equilibrium. Why do we want to rebalance equilibrium? People want to get in at certain price points depending on what order flow we are trading in, right? So, for example, PB premium, right? You don't want to be paying $75 a month for PB premium. Who wants to pay that, right? You want to be getting in at $50 when we drop that discount code for, Hog Day sale or whatever holiday is going on at the time. I think we got Labor Day tomorrow or Monday, right? So, boom, Labor Day sale. You want to be getting in during those times, right? At that discount. You don't want to be getting in at a super high $75 a month. That's a horrible financial decision, right? So, right, if we're in bullish order flow, we want to be getting in at a discount of that leg. So the market will trade towards that to fill those orders, right? And finally, we seek liquidity. And we are seeking liquidity. Again, we are taking out sell stops and buy stops to then trade towards the intended draw on liquidity. Okay? Very simple, but this is necessary when you are going over your daily bias and draw liquidity, okay? So we must remember this. Constantly have this in the back of your head. Next up, let's go over how do you find your daily bias / draw on liquidity. Oh my god. Okay. How do you actually find your daily bias and draw on liquidity? Well, hello? Okay, anyways, we'll just do this. Number one, see if we are delivering from sell side or buy side. And number two, see if we are respecting or disrespecting PD arrays. Okay? Oh my god, Blake, I have no idea what's going on. Calm down, little Timmy. Let me show you, okay? So, let's go over this in a little chart form, okay? Let's say, for example, we have just swept sell side liquidity, right? We just swept sell side liquidity. And now we have a bullish PD array, okay? If we are going to be bullish, I would like to see this get respected, right? This got disrespected, right? There was probably some sort of bearish PD array here. This got disrespected. Nice. So now I want to see this bullish breaker block, this unicorn model, right? This is a breaker block. Let's say we have a fair value gap here in one. I would like to see this get respected and then form some lower time frame structure of bearish PD arrays getting disrespected for then the next drawn liquidity to be this recent high and potentially the external high that we're trading towards, okay? Now for a bearish example, let's say we are we just swept buy side liquidity, and same thing here. And let's say here we have some sort of fair value gap. I would like to see this fair value gap get traded through to then have my drawn liquidity be this recent low and potentially these lows lower, right? And have this bearish PD array here get respected. All right. So that is that. Seems really easy, right? Very hard to do every single day, right? But let's go into now some examples. I want to show you guys some examples in a chart form, okay? I want you guys to be always looking back at my at the daily buys. If you guys are struggling with daily buys and drawing liquidity again, look at the daily buys and just look at what I'm saying, okay? So here for today, bullish buys coming in the morning. We swept 4-hour liquidity and we're delivering from this 4-hour BISI, inverting this bearish gap. Respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, all right? Targets being previous day high and potentially equal highs. Not expecting good action, whatever. Okay, what are we doing here? We've just swept sell side liquidity, okay? So we are delivering from sell side, right? Right? Delivering from sell side. And we are disrespecting bearish PD arrays, meaning what? The next recent high is most likely this high and these equal highs here. All right? So let's use everything here, okay? So first off, why is the market moving? In this example, we're moving to seek liquidity, right? To seek this liquidity here. And then here, we are delivering from sell side and we're disrespecting bearish PD arrays, okay? And what happens is we traded and we delivered towards that bearish, towards that buy side liquidity and towards that what's it called? Order block right there. Okay? That's example number one. Let's go into example number two. Bullish buys coming in the morning. We have an SMT with previous day low, and I'm looking to see us trading to equilibrium of the hourly range up into this 15-minute SIBI. From there, that gap is my condition. If violated and there's displacement through OTE of the range, I'll look to take longs towards London highs. If respected and we form lower time frame confirmation, I'll look to take shorts targeting the recent low. Okay, so a lot of jibber jabber shit said there. I just said jibber jabber. Yes, please don't flame me. Right, we have an SMT at this low, right? So we are delivering from sell side liquidity, right? ES took out this low, right? So what are we doing? We're delivering from sell side. Why is the market moving, right? The market is moving here to rebalance inefficiencies and to rebalance equilibrium, right? So 2 and 1 here. And if this PD right here And again, guys, you have to be constantly setting yourself conditions. All right. I see all the time people going into given trading sessions and not setting themselves conditions. You have to be setting yourself conditions, or else
Down?
you are going to be
Yo.
completely lost. All right.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Here.
Oh,
Sorry, guys. I didn't know you over here.
you didn't know I was
My
here?
thing was muted. No, my thing was muted the whole time.
Oh, you thought you were muted?
What's
What the
up?
heck? Okay. What's up,
Yeah,
bro?
I know. I think I accidentally muted you.
Oh, no problem. I'm planning to take shots if 3 minute gets in first on MNQ.
What's up, Trey?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, bro.
I think shorts down to those relative equal lows, which in the news low is a good call.
Yep, I feel the same. Oh, where's your brother though?
I don't know what he's doing.
Is he asleep?
He might be asleep. Yeah, I haven't been upstairs yet.
Mm. I need a retracement though. 87.
Yeah, my actual bias today was bullish.
My bias today was bearish.
With all these with all the chopping, with all the chopping, I think that this might be a retrace lower to take out these lows before we move higher. So if you can find an entry into the news low, I think you can take it because I think we're heading there.
I think this is market open and then sweeps and manipulate over all these Asian session highs and London session highs, and
Yep.
then tapped into a 4-hour fair value gap and wicked into a daily fair value gap. So then that's why my bias is kind of bearish. But am I gonna get the
Yeah,
entry?
just because that daily gap was already tapped and we've already taken out sell side on the daily, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm still looking for higher. I know that price can move below that news low. That can be a good draw. So we'll see.
It created relatively equal lows actually on the 1 minute, I think.
Well, and the low of the 843 candle and the low of the 834 candle are
I
the
might
same.
target to pass my account today. I am 1.3k away.
Really?
Yeah, should I do it? YOLO?
You're 1.3K away, and how much time do you have left?
How much? I think 2 weeks before I pay another month.
I mean, obviously you're not trading tomorrow.
Am I? Am I trading tomorrow? What was tomorrow?
No, tomorrow's Thanksgiving here in the US, so the banks are closed.
Oh, okay. Then tomorrow will be a lot.
Friday probably gonna be pretty slow because it's Thanksgiving weekend. So, so today's kind of your last like trading day for the week. Let me look at next week's news. Let's see.
Friday has no news. That's crazy.
Oh dang, it's gonna deliver.
It's not gonna give me the entry. I don't feel like hopping in blindly. I'm gonna really wait it out.
Yeah.
If it has already taken the draw, maybe I should be long since it. Yeah, it already taken my DOL.
It just tapped into a 15-minute BPR, so we'll see. See how that holds. If you get a nice reaction out of here, this could be nice.
For longs, yeah.
Yeah.
luck, bro. It's just dumping without warning.
Is that news?
No, it's not.
I was gonna say I don't think it was.
There isn't any news at this timing. It's only at 9:30.
That could be the 10 a.m. wick right there in the first 20 seconds of the hour. That was pretty insane.
Damn. Should have gotten anti-invest? Maybe? No, that's so tough also.
If you guys get this, I mean, when price displaces below that 15-minute swing low that formed at 7 a.m., you guys probably look for shorts because we do have previous days.
For sure.
Yeah, we do have previous days lows resting below us, and we have that discount PDRA, which is the order block that formed yesterday.
If this 15-minute BPR holds and the candle closes outside of the BPR, I'm gonna try to look for a long back up into that. Looks like it's an unmitigated 3-minute.
Right now we are in a 4-hour fair value gap, and we are below a 15-minute BPR, and we are in the first presented 15-minute fair value gap. So I think this might be strong to play out. I think I'll take this 1-minute inverse, to be honest. Oh, but then there's no
Yeah, I like it.
There wouldn't be any
It versus
CISC.
the top gap up there.
I'll change it to 2-minute inverse. When the 2-minute gets inversed,
looks a lot cleaner.
Yo, what you mean? Yo, chill, bro.
Tapped into a 3-minute bearish inverse fair value gap.
46 seconds.
Damn, this is not the best. I just want to pass my account now, bro. Gotta pay out. Dang. This is so much to ask.
So that's why the market, like, you have to be patient because I ain't gonna lie, the more you try to focus on getting a payout, it's just gonna get harder.
Technically, it's rejecting off this 3-minute inverse fair value gap. I would short off this, bro, just cause maybe I think the draw is lower.
Order filled.
I think they wanna sweep lower.
The 5-minute swing low hasn't been taken. So I would say the best entry would be a mitigation block. So if we do break that 5-minute swing low and then we fail to displace higher, then you guys probably can go for a short. Because mitigation blocks are like the best type of entries. more high probable because it shows you that buyers are weak and sellers are more active.
You could take this 1 minute flip right here to the downside. Zion.
I think I'm getting in right now, because he has just respected a 3 minute inverse fair value gap with a long wick out, so then I'm taking in this trade.
Are you already in?
Yeah, I'm already in.
Accumulation, manipulation, distribution leg now.
Should I double down so I could pass my account?
Yeah, how many? Let's see if there's like a gap down here that it hasn't touched, so you could target that instead. Okay, so like below all these lows, there's a 15-minute untapped. You could just target that. That's where price is probably gonna move. Even though it's taking sell side, it's still rebalancing the range, or rebalancing the. You see that 15-minute gap down at like 25,099.
Yeah, I got
Yep.
you.
That could be a possible move for sure.
Yep.
Order filled.
I'm doing it.
Feels like it was like traders like getting trapped like in the longs, so they bought down here at this low. They took out the buy side, and then if you're still in the trade, then they're gonna come down and take you out now.
Let me see. I think this would hit, honestly. Entered here. Stops at this high. My stops is above the 2 minute bearish.
You are longing.
I'm shorting right now.
I mean, you are shorting into a 15-minute.
Yeah.
Bullish, but it's like.
But technically the daily.
I like the
and
Judas
4
off the front, like off the open. Like that is what is making this feel good, honestly.
I think the daily and the 4 hour kind of helps me out a bit. I'm gonna try to break even as soon as I can, though.
Just formed a 5-minute fair value gap.
Tap to 1 hour is better.
Watch how price reacts around that 5-minute fair value gap I just formed.
Oh, no, bro, it's actually stopping me out. What the heck? Should I increase my stop loss or?
This 5-minute looks like it wants to get touched right now. So. No. Where's your stop right now?
I just got stopped out.
Yeah.
It's above the 2 minute gap, and I just got stopped out.
Yeah.
If that 5-minute up close candle closes below it, look for low entry entry model to the downside.
Flips, I'm going long.
You're going long? Tell me when you entry.
Alright. It'll be in a minute. This is the 5-minute first presented. And we just swept out all those lows, the news lows. The draw for higher is the 1 hour swing high. Right there, that kind of got, I don't want to say it was edged, but it didn't get hit, that's for sure. We inversed the hourly at 8 a.m. The only thing I don't love about it is the fact that now we have a random rejection block. It wasn't even off of point of liquidity. That's what's kind of, I don't really like about it, but that's the only thing that I don't really like, which is good, because a random rejection block shouldn't be anything, because there's no liquidity.
Too far high.
Price Price closed below the equilibrium of this 5-minute gap, and it hasn't wicked through it yet. So if we get a flip of this.
Is it the 5-minute fair value gap?
You guys seen the 5-minute volume imbalance?
It looked like it was just pulling back up to equilibrium of this range. If it flips this 1 minute, on the 1 minute, if it flips the 1 minute, I'll go short. And if it flips the 5 minute, then we'll look for a long. This is an interesting place for price. It held the BPR, so that's pretty bullish.
I'll entry one more if I see CISD. Oh, that's a good reaction.
Yep.
I think I might get in off that.
Long.
Wait for the swing, guys. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, wait for that swing low to get taken. Because if we had a failure to displace higher, once we take that swing low, knows where you'll find hyperbole shorts, low resistance shorts.
Already taken out. Yeah.
Because we're too far in a premium right now for them to take the market any higher. I'm expecting them to drive back down to because we do have previous day's lows and we have that order block from yesterday. That's a huge discount array for price. So I'll say for scalpers, the best case scenario, the best like trades will be shorts right now.
It's not inversing the 5-minute bearish. It's not doing that. Okay, wait, I'm gonna actually just think about this next.
$10 a.m. up close candle. 10 a.m. up close candle on the 5-minute. Below. Watch higher. Watch if it takes that low.
Can you respect the 5-minute?
They've just been delivering price so late in the session recently. It's kind of making me feel like this is the manipulation low. Take out these lows, fill these unfilled gaps / BPR, and then move it to actual draw, which is that higher 1 hour. But that's going to be like later on. We're just going to have to wait. This, I mean, I'm not even opposed to this low getting swept, you know?
We've been going high. We've been going higher since yesterday. So retail right now, what they're thinking, they're thinking that, hey, like they're trying to chase all-time high. They think all-time high is gonna be, so what they're is doing, flooding the market with a lot of sell stops. So that's what the liquidity is at. Because you got people just trying to go long, not trying to miss out on the market going higher. So that's where the fear is at. So once that 10 a.m. up close candle, once we get below that, when price retraces back into a, let's say, first presented for value gap, see how it trades through it, does it find premium sensitivity, and then I would say look for shorts.
Oh, this is just getting like ran
When
through,
everything
bro.
shakes and the brightness starts to fade,
I didn't see my ISD, so I cannot.
I like the
know.
short.
Yeah, because it's not showing me my long.
Need this to get flipped.
And I think yeah, probably shorts because we are in a higher time frame bearish video race. So yeah, I'm gonna get in shorts.
Loving this track?
I think I'm gonna get in shorts.
Save it to your playlist and
That 5-minute down close candle. Is there any like fair lower time frame value gaps in there, like a 1 minute?
I like the short on the candle close below the 1 minute.
Let's see how this goes.
And you gotta wait 3 seconds. Yep, it flipped. Should be good.
I'm in shorts.
Alright, I'm actually gonna be in shorts too.
I'm break even ready. I should
Damn.
my contract is too high not to break even now. Kinda hope.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean. So you don't get stopped. Yeah.
Order filled.
I just got stopped already.
You trading a mini or a micro?
Order filled.
I re-entry.
Zion.
Yeah.
You trading a mini or a micro?
Micro. But the thing is that the alpha, the daily thing.
I think this could like actually play out.
Could it though?
Just like your stop could just be like in a bad spot. Mine's like hit the swing high. I've got a $600 stop up there.
Order filled.
Nah, bro, I got the daily drawdown shit. I'm done. I'm out. I always get stopped out because of this shit. Oh, this is so annoying.
Yeah, no kidding. Like, is this still completely valid? Dude, we like bottom ticked in too.
I would say just wait for that swing low to get taken. Once we get a candle body, 5 minute knuckles candle body below that 10 a.m. Low. That'll be a high probable short right there. Because it could just keep going back and forth and targeting stops. Look at those relative equal lows on a 5 minute. Whole lot of trend line liquidity built up to the downside. Whole lot of trend line liquidity built up to the downside.
I think I'm done here then, since I got stopped out. Unfortunately.
Yeah, that suck. I'm gonna break even right now.
Whatever. I left 700 drawdown and 300 drawdown. It's crazy. I hate that it's so that the drawdown is trailing all the time. It's actually so annoying.
Like if you just hit the 1K.
Here's my thought, guys.
Yeah.
It might accumulate within that inverted, which is 5 minute inversion. It might accumulate in that and then run up, take out everybody's stops, and then drops lower. So I would say just you guys can look for a re-entry. Who hit there? So you hit your max loss for the day, right, Zion?
Yeah.
Great. What about you?
That's
Huh?
Still in the short. We cleared down lower, and we already took that back. So I'm gonna let this play out. My risk is already on.
Oh shit!
That stops me on. I'm not really worried about it. It was a high probability setup, anyways.
It's crazy.
We had a
We had a buy side resweep with the 930 high. Displacement lower, filled the 5 minute and flipped the 1 minute. So, you know, it's short.
So you
Win
feel
or
that
loss.
short was a valid.
Yep. I think we're just accumulating for right now. It'll happen fast. I feel like.
Yeah, it'll be sudden. You won't even notice it.
Not even really worried about it. I feel pretty confident in it, honestly.
Wait, confident no longs?
Oh no.
You seen how price traded down, but it didn't close below that wick. That 5 minute up close candle, the 10.05, price trades down, didn't even trade it below it. It just closed right at the opening price of that up close candle. No, that was just
people up right now for the last 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah, that really should be
chopping me up too. So I'm in this trade, but.
To be honest, why we gotta sit up today? I'm totally fine with that shit. To get something Monday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, I got a fat one yesterday, man. That was great.
How many
It's crazy.
contracts were you trading right there?
Huh?
How many contracts were you trading?
I was trading four micros.
4 micros, and it was what, like a 300-point move?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah, 4 micros. My stop went right below. So after we had a failure to displace lower, and we had that change in the state, my stop was literally below the 15-minute fair value gap displacement leg, and it came close, but shit, it didn't take me out because if usually price would never retrace lower to that area, you know, after taking stops and a displacement. So that was very close. I ain't gonna lie, that was like my first time holding that long for a trade. Like,
oh yeah, well that's what I was saying like the other day, because when you're switching to like starting to trade like 15-minute, like that's what's gonna happen. You're gonna be holding trades forever, or it's gonna feel like forever, anyways.
but it was building like, I don't know why, but it built like I guess trading a higher time frame makes me more patient.
Yeah,
like it makes me more patient, you know.
Oh, I hear you. I mean, you can shut your computer.
Yeah, and then whatever happens, you know. If you lose a trade, it's just because the one thing I learned is that when it comes to placing stops, it's way better when it comes to placing stop. It should be about like proving if you were right on the direction of price or wrong on the price. So like, usually if you're long and your stop goes below a fair value gap like low after we had a displacement leg, like price should not come back down there, because if it's very bullish, it's not gonna be retracing back down there. But usually on Nasdaq,
hold up. Look at this market maker buy model that's forming right now. It's so clean. Just this accumulation right here. We'll move lower, take out these lows, and then redistribute higher. It's so clean. I can see it before it's even happened.
Where?
Like this was the original consolidation right here on the 1 minute. It's a low time frame one, but it's still.
Oh, it's a low time frame one.
From 10:11 to 10:21 is your original consolidation. Get a candle closure out of it. Retest the consolidation right there, and then watch this flush right here. You ready? ICT flush over the next 3 minutes. Pretty clean.
Yeah, market maker buy models, sell models are like on almost everything you see when it goes to.
You can see it before it even happens, dude. It's insane. Look at that. It's not random.
Hey Trey.
Yo.
Did you you still in the trade?
Yeah, I'm still holding it.
Oh, you still holding? Okay, that's good. I'm about to say. All right.
My take profit is below all those lows and at that 15-minute unfilled for $2,200.
I would say hold to previous day's lows and just keep trailing your stop.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I think that it might take those lows. Like, it might be the place of reversal. Smart money reversal. I don't know. It is what it is. Again, my risk is on. And I'm just at this point I could just be tricking myself, but that looks pretty clean to me. Once it takes this internal low, I move my stop to break even at 10 a.m. The 10 a.m. low.
Yeah.
Stop and be break even.
We power 3 accumulation.
I don't think there's any reason for us to move higher. We've already made our wick higher on the 1 hour too. So.
Oh shit! We have a lot of daily inefficiencies here.
I don't really understand the whole. I've never really understood Silver Bullet because, dude, every time I look for it, the candle is just like an indecisive candle with huge wicks. The 10-hour candle. He acted like it's always just like clean. So I don't know. I never really understood it.
Yo, Silver Bullets. To be honest, Silver Bullets like. I don't me personally, I don't really have a mechanical model. Like,
yeah, I don't either. I just kind of use my eyes.
Yeah, I don't usually have a mechanical model. It's so simple. It's just literally where's the money at? Are we in a premium or discount? And then waiting for your entry model, and then targeting that liquidity. You know.
I don't know what this candle was, to be honest with you. Stop might get hit actually. Even though I was at the beginning of that Clash game that I just started, I was in profit.
Are we accumulating? Are we distributing? Or are we manipulating? And I just basically knowing that core.
Could be. They could make it more of like a high time frame move.
Yeah, they might end up pushing it higher there and then not even retrace back to that order.
Yeah, that's true too.
Because if price could, say we just seen a failure to displace. If we actually get a displacement above that short-term high with a 15-minute fair rag, I'm going long and targeting those highs, but I really think that they're gonna reprice lower because we have previous days lows, man. And we have that first presented fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame.
I think they're just doing this move randomly. Though. I don't know what this move is. I'm trying to think of like what this could be.
You see that 10 a.m. up close candle on a 5-minute.
It could be just like a Judas.
That's the only candle that's holding price up. Once it takes that low, the wick, that low out, it'll be a very high probable short right there. You see how it's accumulating above that up close candle on the 5-minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, like once that gets taken, that'll be you can find high probable shorts. Because that was the last leg, before we had those little higher prices. You just keep going back and forth inside of this 5-minute fair value gap / volume imbalance.
Yeah, no kidding.
I see it on ES, but I don't see it on NASDAQ though. Oh wait, okay. Let me see.
But this is so tough. I think.
Oh, we got an SMT, 5-minute SMT.
Oh, at the highs. That was an ES move.
Yeah, ES puts in a higher high, and NASDAQ puts in a lower high. So we just have to wait for it to change in the state.
The next time we trade together, I'm just gonna full port it.
It could be next week.
Yeah, it'll probably be next week or Friday maybe. I only left 300 drawdown on one of my accounts and 700 drawdown on the other. Quite tough.
Really?
Yeah. Because of the
I was in drawdown on my Alpha Futures account. I was in drawdown like what almost two bands. Yo, that shit's crazy. Like, I think I had made it back in with like 2 trades, but like I'm down like 600, and then I'm just trying to get that up right now.
I'm up. It's just that the freaking maximum loss limit is killing me, bro.
Yeah, bro, it's the same on all of them. That rule sucks
That
in
rule
general.
sucks, bro. When it trails up, whenever I'm in profit as well, that sucks, bro. Like, I think I'm just gonna keep full porting every account from now onwards. But I don't think I can full port on Alpha though, because it's so shitty with the daily drawdown. I have to aim for 1 to 3 if I do.
One of the best prop firms is Funded Next. Funded Next is so top tier. You get 24-hour payouts, and you can get up to what 700K in funding.
I want to try Take Profit Trader. I heard it's really good.
Like Profit Trader is they're strict. They're very strict.
Yeah, there's just like Zion. If you take a trade or take profit, I've done it with them before. If you take a trade with Take Profit Trader and it goes 500 in profit, and then you end up being break even, you only have 1,500 left.
1,500 left. What?
50. If you have $2,000 drawdown on a 50K, and you take a trade and you're up $500, but then you end up getting stopped break even, then you only have 1,500 drawdown.
Oh, what the shit? That's so L, bro.
It's even worse. It's intraday, like intra-trade drawdown.
What the heck?
Yeah, it's terrible.
Gotta be honest, that's why I'm only taking the A+ setups. Like if it ain't the A+ setup, I'm not taking it.
I heard Powell uses it just to full port. And then get more.
Powell's a funny trader, man. Powell's a funny trader.
Bro, it's so funny. I was like, yeah.
I can't wait to copy trade all my because really one of the prop firms that I'm probably gonna stick to is Funded Next or my Funded Futures.
Did you blow your account yesterday?
Me?
Oh, you did.
Who? Me?
No. My brother's right downstairs.
Oh.
You just guessed.
I might have to like take a break off the chart, so if I blow this, like
Yeah.
The market's annoying.
Off the open.
Guys. Oh, that's CFDs.
Yeah.
That's CFDs. Fuck that. That's CFDs. Oh, Black Friday. Oh yeah, Funded Next is having a Black Friday.
I might actually start doing that. Just gambling not gambling, but like I know the draws at the open, so like I can see them so clear. And like recently we haven't been like chopping around like on the open, like the first candle. Like the 1 minute candles like right at the open, they're just rockets, and like right in the direction that you want them to go. You can just literally be done in 2 minutes. I actually might go just back test it because I've never done that. I just literally skip to 9:30 and just where is it going? Boom. Like if you go like look 9:27, you got a nice you're in an uptrend. Where are you heading? You're heading towards these buy stops right here from the 2 a.m. London highs. It retraces at 9:29 right into the gap. You just literally buy, stop below the candles, watch it bank, take profit every time. I mean, it's just so routine. It's like the volume just makes it deliver. It actually delivers. Because that's been the problem. Is like I have the right bias, but then it's like the delivery recently has been so bad. Like from 10 a.m. to 11:30, the delivery has been bad. And they literally have been delivering during lunch. If you go back and look, they literally deliver every day during lunch. It's so retarded.
I'm not buying. I'm not buying up here, bro. Fuck that. I'm not buying up here.
If this closes,
It's just choppy because no one's like actually like in the market.
Like it can just be manipulated.
Yeah, if I'm looking at the daily range and the weekly range here, like we're too much in the premium for me to fucking long right here because
Dude, I don't know.
I
That hourly draw seems like it's calling my name. You make the wick on the you have 23 minutes of uptrend right here. According to the silver bullet.
guys,
Yeah,
Funding Days got 25K accounts for 79, and you got the Black Friday discount codes. So, have you guys ever used Fund Index?
Nah, bro. I mess with Alpha Futures. That's all I trade, really. At this point, I mean, I have other accounts. Like I actually have 3 Top Step accounts. Only 1 Alpha account right now, which is sad. Wow.
They have rapid.
Dude, I've been trading Alpha for over a month now, and I've passed 3 accounts and still haven't taken a payout.
I realized that I could have passed multiple accounts. It's because I was impatient as fuck.
Yeah, you just like want to do it like that day.
Yeah, that day, and then that shit fucked you like fucked me every time, bro. But I realized it's really easy, man. It's really easy to pass the funded. Like it's really easy. Like it's just your own mind that's getting in the way, you know. And that's what was happening and shit. Yeah. I'm gonna definitely get a 100K when I get my first payout. I'm gonna be buying like probably like 100K funded next because they give out 24-hour payouts. And they don't have no daily loss limit, no activation fee.
Chris, what do you like more about Funded Next and like an Alpha Zero?
Well, Funded Next, I would say they have a 24-hour payout and they don't have any activation fee, no daily loss limit, and it's really that's really what I really like about it. And they pay us. And one thing is
that's the same exact with the Zero, no?
Yeah, but one thing too with Funded Next, if you don't get, they say they give 24-hour payouts, right? If they don't give you your payout within 24 hours, they give you an extra 1,000 on top of that.
I think Alphas does too. I mean, I've never taken a payout with either of them, so I can't like defend that. So could be right.
That's sweet right there. Because imagine I request a payout and then I don't get that shit in 24 hours. Like, that's an extra 1 band. That's good as fuck with me.
Yeah, no.
But they're very professional. They're very professional. Like they are a very big prop firm, you know. So a lot of professional traders trade Funded Next. So, and I've never heard any any bad thing about them. But Alpha Futures is good though. So the payouts. So do you get your payout within the first week?
It's 24-hour too.
Oh, 24 hours?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think they do that thing where they give you an extra K though. But like,
that's sweet, bro.
Yeah. You know what took the longest though for payouts? Top Step, bro. I waited on that shit for like 6 days.
I fucking hate Top Step. I don't like Top Step, bro. I hate Top Step.
Dude, I don't know. I'm about to buy some accounts. Full port those gems.
I don't like Top Step. I like Funded Next, My Funded Futures, and Alpha Futures is good too. And Take Profit Trader, they too strict, bro. They too strict. Fuck that.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm gonna be stacking up on like when I get my second payout, you know, I'm gonna be stacking up on a lot of accounts, like at least 25 accounts.
Yeah, I'm about to get dude, no kidding. Next payout I take, I'm taking all the profits and taking them straight to Apex.
Oh,
get like 20 accounts.
Oh my god, the activation fee is gonna be like brutal, bro.
I don't even care, bro. The capital has been saved. This is what I've been trying to do for literally the last 6 months. Was buy like 20 Apex accounts and just full port them on news until they pass. Because you can get them for like $30, so it'd be like $600 for 20 accounts, and I can just full port them until I pass them.
Damn.
Because then I'd have 20 accounts. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
And then once I pass them, obviously you'd have to. That activation fee would be pretty ridiculous. Probably be like close to 2K.
God damn. Yeah,
Then
I
you
can't.
have 20 accounts. Like, bro, if you make $1,000 on that, take it out. That's 20 bands.
Really? So
You hearing that?
Yeah.
20 bands for 1K on one account.
That's sweet.
Kind
That's
of like
sweet.
what I've been thinking about. That's kind of been my goal for the last 6 months too.
Sweet right there.
See,
It's just them fucking active. If Apex takes out their activation fee, bro, they're gonna be like one of the top tiers, bro. I'm telling you. They're already top tier, but like people don't like the activation fees. That shit's just fucking man, bro. My Funded Futures is also a good one too. I fuck with My Funded Futures.
yeah.
I used to think that Funded Next didn't offer copy trading, but they do actually. They do let people copy trade.
Bro, Zion.
you.
I might be taking a break from. I was talking to my brother about this yesterday. I might be taking a break from doing all this.
For
From, like doing these. Yeah, because dude, ever since I started doing these, I've looked every single trade that I've taken on here versus when I take them by myself. Guess the difference.
you lost.
I had an 85% win rate in October trading 1-to-1s. On here, I'm 3-11.
Loving this track?
Oh shit.
3-11. I've taken 3 wins on live.
So what you feeling? You're just not gonna call anymore?
You hearing that though? Like that dude. That's like obvious. There's a difference.
Yes.
That's not just like that's not random. So I'm gonna have to like. I think what I'm gonna do is like, start videoing myself like, maybe like until the end of the year. Like video myself, and then like edit them and then like post them. I don't know. Or maybe just like live stream and like not talk. I don't know.
Your brother said.
Yeah, you could.
I would say just trade the session, and then once you get your trade, and then we just basically just like relock in here. I would say that'll be the best option. Just trade, and then once you get
once I get my entry.
Yeah, once you're in, once you get once you like, let's say if you win for the day or whatever happens, like, you know, we all could just get back, just talk about the trade recap and shit.
Oh, that's what I was planning on doing. Like I was planning on like uploading like literally like a video for like me making the trade.
I mean, you could do what I do. You just stream and then not talk. Trade also. Once the trade over, you just break down what you have done.
Yeah,
Then you end the stream and you can rewatch it.
Yeah. I don't know if it's like talking to other people or like if I'm just getting distracted. I don't know. I haven't figured it out. But I want to figure it out because eventually this is what I want to do. Like I want to be able to.
I think it might just be.
I want to have a 85% of win rate on live. Like I think that would be like the best for me in my psychology. Because like I like talking to people, but I think it's also like been a distraction. Because bro, you can't go from. I was literally running those numbers yesterday, and I was just like, wow.
But then it's also not just you though. I'm also dying right here with my win rate.
Oh, I know. But I'm saying like, literally, like at the beginning, like when you first got here, like you were winning more than you have been since we started trading together. You know.
I mean, yeah, sure.
But, I mean, I was thinking that like, you know how they always say like everybody has their own like pace or whatever.
Yeah.
Like
maybe
for
that's
success, like you have to figure that out kind of on your own.
Facts.
That's true. That's true. I don't know.
Like if you like are like looking to be like profitable like by yourself and be able to like, I don't know. I feel like that success is gonna like, you listening to my daily bias is pretty much just like holding you back probably. You know?
Yeah. And that's
And then,
facts, bro. That's
and then like
facts.
at the but I'm not saying like in general. Like I'm just saying while we're live, and then at the end of the day, like we come back and then talk about like what we saw. Talk about like how it moved, how it reacted. Like, like we'd say like we give our biases at the end of the day. Like, did you have this bias like me? Like you know.
But the
we
thing
just
is
kinda
that
compare.
my previous trading, the one with my like, for the previous months, I've been trading 8:30 EST. I had never been trading 9:30.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a completely different game for you.
Yeah, it's completely different. But I also can't
Yeah.
backtest it because after trying out on FX replay, I see that the time on FX replay is completely different data.
Interesting.
Like it's a 1 hour delay on FX replay. Yeah, candles are 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. when on top set on all the other charts is 11 p.m. and like it's an hour different for me.
Zion.
Yeah.
Are you pretty familiar with like every single confluence?
Kinda.
I was thinking about this last night too, like what could help you because you've been kind of like looking for I know you've been like looking for like a model or whatever.
Yeah.
But I want you to go watch. It's a 58-minute video. Go watch ICT's 2023 market maker model video. It's literally like a summary of like his whole like what he talked about in 2023.
Model maker.
He talks about how you can like find a bias and then spot like anywhere. Like he talks about like consolidation times when it's delivering like buy side delivery and when it's delivering sell side delivery. I think you'll appreciate it because you're looking. I don't want to say you're looking for a model, but you can find so much consistency in what he talks about, and I think you'll just see what I'm talking about if you go watch it.
Sure. I'm trying to find the video now.
Yeah, you have a liquid. So basically, like I think the market maker sell model is when price taps into a higher time frame PD array, or we swept a buy side liquidity, and we have first stage accumulation, and then we have distribution, and then second stage reaccumulation, and then the final leg down, I think.
But like it sounds like a lot of words, but at the end of the day, like you'll see that there's so many different places that you can find a trade, and like as long as you can spot like where we are,
yeah,
like,
holy smokes,
figure out what's actually going on.
Yeah, especially during the market maker buy model, whenever you have that second stage reaccumulation, like that's when most people who are kind of short, they get trapped in short, and you can basically look for you can live.
You're never gonna remember all these words. I'm just saying you should go back and try to put, because you like trading BPRs, right?
Not exactly.
Or you like whatever fair value gaps. All of those you can look at how price reacts using those confluences. So like you have your bias is bullish because there's relative equal highs. I think I don't remember. It's been like a while since I watched the video. But I'm pretty sure there's like these we're overall bearish, like we're in a downtrend, and there's relative equal highs, so the price consolidates, accumulating orders, then it moves higher, and it has two phases where it accumulates, and there's first stage whatever, second stage whatever. Sorry, I don't really trade this, so it was just clean this morning. I was thinking about it last night that you should try to find like what you think works for you in that video. Is all.
It's this video, yeah.
It's like I think it's 58 minutes long or something.
58, 36, yeah.
Yeah, the market maker buy models and sell models, very models for beginners, you know.
Yeah, but like it's not. I would disagree. I think that it's that right there is the most advanced video that he's ever dropped.
Yeah, it is very advanced. It is very advanced.
You have to put it's like putting all the pieces together. So
yeah,
but you're pretty familiar with. I mean, obviously like liquidity, draw. That's pretty much the main. But then pairing it with like he's gonna say confluences and they're like breakers and order blocks and mitigation blocks. He's gonna start talking about stuff that you've probably never heard of. But you can just ignore the noise, and if you're really curious about why it moves using those, then you can go back and try to figure out what those are outside of it. But
All right, I got you.
yeah, because that's the whole that video is the whole principle of ICT trading. So if you're like remember how you were talking about rejection blocks?
Yeah.
Like he shows you like how he literally tells you how, if you pay attention and kind of read between the lines, how like people like Powell can trade like such low risk but high RR. But then he also shows you how you can take like trades like at the end of the cycle that are super high probability and fast, but you have like a little more risk. Like a bigger stop, but it moves faster. So it's just kind of like whatever you're looking for, you can find it in the market maker buy or market maker sell model. Just kind of like whatever trader you want to be, you can kind of find your way. But it's just explaining like why price is doing what it's doing, how it's doing it, what to expect, and how you can anticipate like the next stage and next move.
Yeah, it's
all using candlesticks, which is amazing.
If you study that for like a week, you'll find a lot of setups during those market maker buy models and sell models.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
so
you
like,
have, you have,
if I was you, I would go like if you were really looking for like this is what people are talking about when they're talking about like developing like your strategy, your edge. You can't just like copy someone else's like model. I think it's literally watching those videos and trying to find what makes sense for you and your psychology. So for me, I like trading 1-to-1s and I like taking them like more towards that second stage distribution phase. Like that doesn't mean that if you trade something else you're wrong, you know.
I get you.
It just means it's different for your psychology. Like Powell's psychology, he likes losing 100 trades in a row but then taking a $200 win, you know.
Okay, I get you.
So it's just kind of like psychology based.
I get what you
So I would just watch the video and see what you think, and just let me know. Let me know what you think, and because like when you start trading with me, like you're trying to take similar setups to me, and that like it can be completely different for like what you would normally take, you know.
Yeah, but the thing is that I'm still quite lost in what time I should be trading, and plus the data is wrong on FX replay. That means my whole back testing journey is all.
How much does FX replay cost a month?
It costs about like $30.
Okay, go get TradeZella. It's way better.
TradeZella.
Yeah, way better.
Oh, okay.
I don't have a code for that either, so you can't accuse me of.
Smart money reversal, accumulation, reaccumulation, and then you have the final stage distribution. We're in the final stage distribution.
Then after this, my main
It looks
issues
different
now,
every single time. It never really looks the same, but all the principles are always there.
I guess my main issue now is just like trying to find how to back test properly, which timing is it best for me to trade, 8:30 EST or 9:30 EST, and lastly it is my daily bias, because I usually trade off no daily bias. I trade off what is the best reaction I can get off the higher time frame on the lower time frame.
And daily bias is the reason that it's one of those things that you just kind of have to develop, because It's not really something that like you can get an indicator to tell you, because if it was, then everybody'd be profitable, you know?
Yeah, I get what you mean.
So you have to use inference to find that, which makes it hard.
Oh, fuck.
That's why I feel
once you find that, like, I don't know, like this last month has been like really weird for me.
Mm-hmm.
Because going from like winning like almost every day, like I literally went, I think I went 17 for 20 in October.
For real though.
Like 17 wins out of 20 trades. Like obviously that's a high win rate, but
yeah,
like to go from that to like what I've experienced this month, it just shows that like something's off and that I need to kind of go back to what I was doing. Trying to skip forward a little too fast.
Maybe.
But this is my dream overall, is to do this every day in front of people, because I feel like this is kind of like my passion for trading and like showing people that there's a different way out of there's a different way than traditional work is important. So
I mean, trading with you guys was definitely fun.
well, no, I'm not saying that we can't trade together still, dude. I'm not. I want to do it in the future still, and trust me, I don't want to stop doing this. I want to talk about the market every day. Like, I want it to be more interactive, just not live for maybe just a couple months. Dude, you never know. Those couple months could change your life. You know?
I mean, I get what you mean. I'm just afraid that I can't do these things alone.
You're not gonna, dude. You can still text me whenever, bro. We can still hop on here and you can ask me questions.
Oh, you're still gonna be trading on Discord?
No, I won't trade live on Discord, but the Discord's still gonna be there. Like, you can still text me.
Nah.
Like, we can still hop on. Like, if you're confused and you need like a visual explanation, we can hop on this classroom and we can hop on the live trade, and we can just screen share and still talk about stuff. I'm not saying we can't do that.
Okay.
But
sure. You can just tell me when you will be.
I think that I've thought about my whole, like, what I've done trading, and I went from, I mean, my whole journey, I went from Forex to trading trend lines and EMAs and other stuff.
Yeah, same.
All the way to ICT, and hopping in a Discord, like I went into PJ's Discord.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing, after I was in that Discord for 3 months, and I did not get better with psychology. The only thing that I got better with was risk management. It's the only thing that, like, I actually got better in 3 months. And I know that if I would have just sat down and locked in, that would have taken me like a week. So, like, following someone else and like kind of like tailing off of them, I feel like hurt me more than it helped me, because it just took up some time. Once I stopped doing that and locked in for 2 months, like outside of that, that's when I saw like actual success, because I just started getting, like, I started actually looking at the market for myself and like looking at like I was all me, you know?
Yeah, I get you.
There was no one else to blame. It was just, did I mess up? What did I do wrong? What did I do right? Did I follow my rules? Yes. Were all those BS? Okay, bet. Like, move on.
One thing to Zion, you're not always gonna be perfect when it comes to like reading the market, and reading the market, like, nobody's like, I don't think you're not always gonna be perfect at it. But the one thing you have to make sure that you're perfect at is managing your size. That's the one thing, managing your size, because your size is the only thing that really matters when in trading. One of the most important things that really, your size, because you could be wrong. Everybody's gonna be wrong in the direction of price. Everybody is wrong. Even the greatest traders are sometimes wrong in the direction of price. But one thing you can't be wrong is your size and your risk, man. Because that's what kills a lot of traders, is the over risking, oversizing too.
Got you, bro.
All right. Last thing before you leave, I want you guys to go and look at the delivery of ES right down to that 8:30 news low and how NASDAQ was being gay again. You can see, like, look. Here, I'm gonna screen share and show you all this. Look how much cleaner it looks. This is the market maker buy or market maker sell model in a nutshell, right here. You ready? Here we go. It's happening live.
Wait, you're sharing your Discord.
I don't even know how it's possible.
I'm not going fucking long today, bro. We're too much in the premium.
Wow, it's crazy.
Is that better?
Yeah, I can see it.
Alright, I see it.
He'll talk about. I actually do think he talks about a BPR, but he'll talk about what he calls trapped traders.
Yeah, traders trapped. Yeah.
People that are trying to short because they think that we're breaking out lower. Because we came below these lows. So people that are shorting here, calls these trap traders. He's got a draw up here, so we'll call it this hourly. You guys have already taken it. But on NQ, you've got these hourly highs up here. I'm just explaining it fast. Go right here. There's a 1 hour bearish fair value gap, so that's your main draw for market maker sell model. You've got, let's see here, original consolidation here, so when it just isn't going anywhere, and then you get I still struggle with spotting all this on the fly.
Oh, that's so that's smart money reversal, accumulation. That's smart money reversal, and then you have what's it called again?
This was the interesting thing about today is you had the
accumulation, and then this is reaccumulation. So you see that big move down, that's reaccumulation, and then you have distribution. Yeah.
Spotting it in real time. This is live, so
you see.
This is the first stage accumulation. We'll probably have another one right around here. It'll deliver up into here, and then you can expect all of these, like, it to finally come down and move back into this area. That's the principles behind it. Yeah. Spotting it in real time is hard, but he'll talk about the trap traders. He'll talk about how, like, when you have a clean move down like this, and then a swift move back up, you can expect price not to come back down here.
Oh God! Hey, I actually saved. Actually, let me see if I found it.
And then he'll talk about how when you get a candle closure outside the consolidation zone, which again, it's hard to spot on the fly.
Hey Zion.
You're on site, yeah.
I'm about to drop something and
wait, why don't I see that sweep though on ES?
What? It never took the 830 low?
Not on the alpha.
Wow. Yeah, that's bad.
It shows it's showing an SMT from your chart to my chart.
I wonder if, are you on MNQ?
No, it's
or MES?
MES.
Look at regular ES. You should do your charting on the actual, like, regular indice.
Oh yeah, the regular one shows this.
Okay, so do your charting on the regular indice, and then you can take your executions on the micro. And guys too, don't trade the regular Nasdaq. Trade the December contract. So you wanna. So when you go on yeah,
I
you
don't think
never.
that, I don't think that really applies to him because he's using alpha ticks, but I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Um,
Let me send him the thing because he can actually look at it.
Zion, look at this right here. You can come back and look. ES is just wow. ES delivers way better.
Yeah, it does. It does. It fucking does.
I mean, way better.
Yes,
Nasdaq just jacking around this morning.
even
I'm actually gotta start trading ES. It is way better.
bro. Even though ICT said it himself, he said if he had to pick one indices to trade for the rest of his life, it would be ES.
Man, dude, that is insane.
They're on the way they deliver is way more professional, man. Nasdaq just be dicking around.
Yeah. No
Hey,
shit.
I put Zion, look at what I sent you. I put in the chat. This is the market maker buy model.
Oh, you do the consolidation.
Yeah, you can find setups in the reaccumulation.
You can find setups all the time.
Yeah, all the time.
It's just like, where are we? You just have to be able to identify where we are. But again, like people, like profitable traders, they just master like one of the phases.
Yeah.
So like Powell has mastered the smart money reversal perfectly. I know PJ trades the breaker, so he trades first stage distribution. Like you can kind of like see, like you can go in and see like where they all have found their like little niche like in the market, if that makes sense. So, and those are the guys that are making the actual money, you know, or the ones that have gone in, figured it out themselves, and taught themselves the little model. So, I like trading the second stage redistribution.
What's a TS?
TS?
What's TS?
IRL. I know IRL.
IRS is internal range liquidity, and ERL is extra range liquidity.
It's pretty much a CE to outside the fair value.
Yeah, you sent it to me. So, if you get confused with any of the parts in it, there's probably another video talking about it more in depth in the 2023 mentorship.
Oh yeah.
As I was study the market maker primer course, then the 2022 mentorship, and then you can
Dude, I'm telling you, just you have you're good. You have the head knowledge. All you have to do is go watch this video.
Oh, 2020. Okay, the market maker.
He's already got most of the head knowledge. All you have to do is go watch this video, kind of identify like what type of risk you want to put on, and then heavily backtest one of the phases. Trying to spot like he goes through all 5 phases. Like if you are looking for like the most like swift phase, and like you just have to be patient and wait for your setup to come. It'll probably come once a week, you know. On the 15-minute, on the lower time frames, it happens more often, but
15 minutes is very great though. 15 minutes is very great. If you could wait for it to form on a 15-minute, like it'll be more high probable, more accurate.
Yeah, like I'm on the 5-minute right now spotting this, so it's probably gonna play out because it looks pretty clean on ES. But like being able to spot that is gonna make all the difference for you. I'm telling you, you'll develop so much more because you've been struggling. You said you've been struggling with confidence, right?
Yeah.
Like the confidence that you'll have when you're spotting this over and over again is just going to be supreme. And this is what I'm going to be working on too. I'm going to be going and trying to find all this in real time again, like I have been in the past.
I took the reaccumulation phase, and I had took the accumulation one too, and the smart money reversal. I think, you know,
like all you have to do to be profitable is master one of these and then manage risk correctly. That's all you have to do. It's literally all you have to do. So clean.
Yeah,
just kind of ignore the noise if you can.
Like you don't need to like over inform yourself. Just master one. Like if you go and watch that is also, I guess, another thing that PJ kind of helped with is all he uses is breakers and gaps. That's all he uses. So he's just mastered, because when he forms the breaker, he knows that he's about to enter that first stage distribution. So when the breaker forms, he's just looking for unicorn breakers, and like you'll see what I mean when you go look at it.
And then too, you can watch the ICT one and then watch TT Trades. TT Trades breaks it down very great. ICT, ICT created it, but TT Trades also is good at it too.
Does a good job. But, dude, I don't even know, like, is that dude profitable or he's just a gap set?
I really don't know, but he knows he knows the ICT shit. He knows TT Trades, market maker, sell model or buy model. You just gotta find. Do you like selling more, Zion, or buying?
I'm okay with both. I don't think it's a question.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter, dude. You'll figure it out. And again, if you need to hop on a call at any time, like, we're good. Like, I've got you. What time do you normally wake up?
What time?
Like, this is the only time that you have to trade like this time?
But I only trade New York session because I'm always...
No, I know, but like, if we were ever like had to like get on a call and like talk.
I'm pretty much free anytime. It really depends if I reach home early after school or not.
So like, what time your time do you get home from school?
Let's say 6 p.m. or earlier.
Okay, so that's what time
Actually,
here?
no, 7.
What time is it now? What time is it there for you right now?
12 a.m.
So like 6 hours ago?
Yep, I was home at around 7 p.m.
It's like 5 a.m.
It depends on the day, yeah, but...
And then you wake up at like, and you go straight to school?
Hmm?
You wake up and go straight to school?
Yeah. Then I come home and I trade.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Our timing is quite different.
Yeah, definitely. So like,
holiday,
like you couldn't like, if we, let's see here, like 11 hours from now, you're at school?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
11 hours from now would be 11 p.m. Eh? Yeah, I'll be in school.
Yeah, 11 a.m. for you, I guess. Wow, so you're literally just an hour ahead. You're like 12 hours ahead of me. 13 hours ahead. 13 hours ahead.
13 hours. Maybe I'll go back to how I used to trade at 9:30 and then see if there's any improvement.
Yeah, just see it. Yeah, because it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. It's just volume is all.
I mean,
but
most of my trades, it's just like I get on 9:30 and then I would do my analysis. I will analyze the charts, everything. Then I see like 10:29. Okay, wait, that would be 9:29. The candle would respect my retrace point, and then that's where I entry. And the market opens at 9:30, and it just pumps to my PB. That's usually what happens.
No, I know. That's what I've been thinking about recently is what's keeping me from just like kind of doing pre-charting like at like 9:15, and then having like an idea of where it's gonna go, and then entering a trade at like 9:29, setting a stop at like a safe place to where like the trade would be invalidated, and then just charging like 1 to 2 R every day.
That just worked for me last 2 months.
Yeah, I actually am thinking about like trying to do that. I kind of want to go back test and see how strong I am at it because it feels like I literally feel like every day I would just win at 9:30. Like I'd win like 80% of the time, and then I'd be done. Like I would have won today. I would have had my stop. If I would have done that, I would have had my stop. Let's see.
I'm trying out some art. No, not exactly.
I also wanted to start trading at ES because it just delivers so much better. Like, bro, look at Nasdaq's wicks, bro. It's just big 5-minute candles, just wicks over and over and over. And then right at 10:30 is when you start seeing this nice delivery from Nasdaq. Oh man. Oh man. Price is still trending right at that TP. Yeah, I'm convinced. I'm trading ES from now on. Way better. Way better. Dude, look at the delivery. So much cleaner and tighter. The candles actually have bodies. They respect gaps like very well. When it inverses gaps, the new gaps are actually respected. It's just so much nicer and neater. I don't know. I'm gonna hop off here though, guys. It was fun. We'll talk more about the markets. I promise.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yo, I was want to tell you guys, there was a video that ICT had posted not too long ago, probably like 2 weeks ago. He was talking about how you can use the opening ranges to give you narrative on what the 9:30 opening is usually going to do. So usually at 9 a.m., if 9 a.m. opens and we've taken like buy stop or sell stops, the first presented fair value gap that forms, and for it to be classified as the first presented fair value gap, it has to have some type of rebalance to if inefficiency or a stop hunt and a change in the state. So we seen at 9 a.m., right? We dropped down, we taken out stops at 9 a.m. and then we had this change in the state of delivery. And look how price was reacting off the first presented fair value gap that it formed. It was respecting it, right? So at 9:30 comes, we seen price trades down, fails to reach the first presented fair value gap. That just shows you how bullish it is, right? So half of the time, it tells you, it gives you narrative on what price is most likely going to do.
Like,
And we
go
see
look.
this.
Hey, go look at ES's first presented fair value gap today.
Yeah. Look at ES first presented fair value gap. At
NQ, bro. NQ.
9 a.m. Look at that 9 a.m. Look at 9 a.m. First
Trading ES. I'm convinced that ES is just miles better.
Yeah, look at the 9 a.m. Look at the 9 a.m. first presented fair value gap on the sell side delivery. You see how we 9 a.m. we open, we had a delivery to the sell side, taking out stops. You see how price reacts around that first presented fair value gap? It literally overlapped it. It broke that first presented fair value gap. It didn't find any premium sensitivity. It just broke it. It just broke the fair value gap. And then we seen how price at 9:30 we traded down and it couldn't reach that. You see how it trades down to the high of it? Look at it. Look, the first presented fair value gap, the one that formed at 9 a.m. The sell side delivery one. It's right. Look at the 9 a.m. opening.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where is it? Where is it? I'm trying to see where Zion.
Close outside of it. The weight increases there. Hold up, but this is another thing. Look at how he talks about once you see a sweep like that on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
And then look at how it inversed the SIBI at 9:58 and 9:59. So clean.
Yeah.
Just delivers price from there.
Yeah.
Wait,
where's the 9 a.m. where's the 9 a.m. Down close candle on your part? Like, where is it in that range?
Bro, it's so cleaner. Look at that. Look at that consolidation, and look, it comes up, leaves relative equal highs, retests the consolidation zone, giving one more entry.
And then you
And
see
then
how you see how that 9 a.m. First presented fair value got that down close candle. You see how it literally just overlapped it and didn't found any premium sensitivity. It just completely closed it, and it comes back, hits the high of it, doesn't close it, doesn't close it in. It just hits the high, and then you see an immediate reaction off of that.
So clean.
And you could have caught like maybe a 1-to-1 with off that shit, and just like selling too.
Stop below the.
The
So
swing
clean.
low. Yeah, swing low. Stop below the swing low.
8 points. You can catch it. That's a 2.5 to 1.
Yeah, you could catch a nice trade with that, bro.
Dude. I mean, golly. It's so much cleaner on ES. NASDAQ is just. NASDAQ's first presented was at 927.
Yeah.
Like before the market open, that doesn't make sense. Like, what is it all? It's just jacking around. Dude, I actually do think the delivery on NASDAQ has been bad because there's been so many people trading it. Like, it's become such a more. Do you think that's a possibility?
Well,
Who's been sloppy?
ICT taught that it doesn't matter how many buyers or sellers in the market. It's the algorithm. The algorithm.
I think that the algorithm is being sloppy with it, just specifically because there's more like retail traders trying to. Because that is happening. There are a lot more retail traders in it.
Yeah, there's a lot of more retail traders, but I think it's because the lack of it might be choppy because maybe we're lacking a lot of there's a lot of volatility right now. There's a lot of volatility, and the volatility is mostly like uncertainty too. So the algorithm is not moving as efficient on NASDAQ because there's a lot of volatility and there's a lot of like news like that comes out with Trump and all that stuff. So it just moves it just moves choppy because there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. That's why it's not really flowing like it's flowing, you know?
Yeah.
That's one thing. That could be one thing too. But yeah, guys, like whenever you're coming to the session, always watch that 9 a.m. Go to your 9 a.m. Where is that? Look at that 9 a.m. candle. Look for the first presented fair value gap. And for it to be classified as a first presented, you have to have a scenario where you have a liquidity sweep or a change in the state for it to be classified. So we see 9 a.m. opens, that down close candle drops down, sweeps out that low, and then we seen price comes back up. Didn't find any premium sensitivity, just overlaps it. And then at 9 a.m. we trade down into it, the high of that candle. And so if you extend it out, if you extend the 9 a.m. down close candle, if you extend it, you see price at 9 a.m. trades down into it, doesn't finds premium discount sensitivity, and then just completely just rallies up. So that's also a good thing to look at too. If you guys want the video, I can send you the video. It's let me add the video to the chat. Videos. Opening range theory first presented. Opening range theory first presented. Copy link. Yeah, you go watch that because it's really mind blowing. I ain't gonna lie, it's really mind blowing. I put the video in the chat. You guys got it?
Yeah, it's in there. Appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem, bro. Lately, I've been slowing back down on watching ICT because I just didn't want to overload myself with too much information because that can really like affect like how you trade because you're trying to add all these things, you're trying to do all this shit when you really need the basics. But once you feel like you've been profitable long enough, if you want to add more confluences and you want to be a better trader or more precise, you can go back to his channel and watch things and just gives you more edge on the market, I guess.
Yep. All right, gentlemen.
All right, John. All right.
Get you on the Discord.
Okay.
All right, man. See you.
Bye-bye.
See you. Night, Zion.
The road get rocky again. I'm back in this thing and I brought me a friend. My sin and thought it could win. I throw up a prayer, it's gone with the wind. Okay, in the studio, locked in the gym. Verses they turn into hymns. God got my back, I get bored at the rim. God got my back, so I'm chillin' just like a massage. I've been beefing with General Zod, but I know that my general God. Ain't no hook on this chillin', just nod. Ain't no book on this, I had to grind. But the book from the Lord in my mind. Know the world to get cold outside, so I cook in my court inside. It's a beat we gon' eat, I'll slide. In the booth we got forks and knives. I'm in Eden, my Lord in the skies. And he knew way before my design. Way before I was photo of pride. Take a picture, you'll see the disguise. Ain't no fiction, the truth in the eyes. Promise said that the land was mine, I had to go get it. I saw me a giant, I had to go slay it. Like David Goliath, I had to repay him. He sent me new lines, I had to relay him. Forgot him, I gotta re-say him. The father of time, the mastery maker. The Optimus Prime, the Alpha Omega. The master of mind, the galaxy shaker. The one up above, biggest creator. Bright light, flashing. Fresh out the tomb like I'm Lazarus. Hop on the beat, I'm spazzing. Got him in shot like anaphylactic. Ayy, they wanna party, I'm crashing. When I pull up my little shawty like that's him. Ayy, link with the source, I'm tapped in. Whole new world, Aladdin. Rappers is Disney, clean them up swiftly. Floors on cocaine, floors on Whitney. I don't play no games, better come get me. Used to bump Tripley, not a boy Bigly. Verters on what? Verters on top flow. Shout out to TJ, shout out to WAP. The way I move weight, must be a topo. I've been in the gym and I'm trying to get Flacco. Might hit the O, pull up on CG, aiming at Eden. I've been in Peachtree, I say my piece and I dish it like Petrie. Yeah, I'm from Florida, where you need AC. When I say hover, I don't mean Daisy. Hover like Rafa, hover like Nisi, hover like Big Guy ever since BC. When they can't pray, devil gets CC'd on.
I've been sick and tired, being sick and tired, searching far and wide for something that feels real. I need something that feels real. And I don't wanna lose my soul, chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I'm lost in a feeling that I ain't from this world. That going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy, but it leads me straight to you. Now I'm running like the prodigal. I don't need the money, I don't want the fame, I don't want what I can't take with me in the grave. Oh, and I don't wanna lose my soul, chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I'm lost in a feeling that I ain't from this world. But going back to Eden ain't gonna be easy, but it leads me straight to you. Now I'm running like the prodigal. I don't wanna lose my soul, chasing after things that don't lead me straight to you. And I don't wanna lose my gaze when I meet you face to face. Well done, welcome home. Now I'm running like the prodigal. Oh, I'm lost in a feeling that